Alright, hello friends! This is Yuji.
And I'm Toa.
Today we're gonna draw Mario. You know what Mario is?
Yeah, it's from Nintendo Switch.
Yes.
And we're up to the very last bit.
Yes, Mario Odyssey.
Yeah.
Super Mario.
And Party.
Mario Party. Okay, so everyone knows what Mario is?
Yeah.
What do we need today? Any black marker?
Yeah, black marker.
Anything?
And
of course.
of paper.
A4 paper. And any coloring. Anything you have at home. Anything.
Yeah, like this.
Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 5. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's bring it on! Okay, first, we're gonna start from his nose. Okay, maybe on towards the bottom of the paper, you draw a circle. Like this. Like this. No, you have to watch me. Like this. Like that. That's alright. Alright, next. We're going to draw another circle. You watch. One circle like that. Yep, keep going. Yep, that's cool. Alright, and I'm gonna draw another one. Which is going to be obviously his eyes. Yes, that's it. Alright, we're going to draw another oval inside the oval.
Yeah. Oh, which one? Okay.
Start from the right, yeah. Alright, you do the same on the left.
As wide as the
Okay. Guess what? Another circle. Inside another circle. A lot of circle, isn't it?
Yep. There's mostly circles in Mario.
Yeah, exactly.
It's circles.
It's just basically circles. Within the circle, another circle. Okay. You do the left one.
Doesn't that pen stink?
Yeah, it does. A little bit. Okay. This is gonna be the last time. Another small circle on the top, which this time is on the top. Okay.
Oh, I don't really need to draw a circle.
Like that. Yes. Start looking a little bit like a Mario, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Alright, next. Okay, you gotta listen, alright? What do we need? Okay. His eyebrows.
Oh, cool.
Okay. What do? It's gonna draw a little bit of arch. Like this twice. Another arch. Like this. Alright?
Okay.
I got it. Okay. Obviously, another one. Arch.
And
big arch first. And
then
a small arch below it. Okay. Alright. He's kind of smiling already, isn't he?
Yeah.
Alright, what's next? Okay, what do we need? He needs a little mustache. Yes? Okay. This is a tricky one. Okay, you start like this. Little arch. Again, another arch. Like this.
Okay.
Like that. Yes. Another one like on the right. Like that. Okay. And then we're gonna have 1, 2, 3 on the left. Another 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Half circle. Yes. So total of 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Are you so quick? Yeah, you got it. Okay, another one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's gonna be his mustache, right?
Yeah.
Next, it's his mouth, alright?
Okay.
He's smiling, so somewhere around the same width as his nose, around here.
Okay.
He's gonna be smiling like he always does, right?
And the very last one.
Yes, like that. Just subtly smiling, and you can add a little subtle, like little line on the side, so he's like, Mario. Yeah.
Mine's so much laughing.
Can you do Mario voice? Mario. No. He's like Mario. Okay.
Mario.
Yeah, that's it. You gotta give it a bit of Italian accent, right? Okay. Next, below his mouth, we need another small line, so it looks a bit more like a 3D mouth. It's a little trick, I guess. Like you put a little line underneath the mouth. Look at that! It looks 3D now, doesn't it? Oh
She
yeah!
doesn't really look like Feeny.
Alright, now we've got most of his face done. What do we need next? We need his face.
Or something.
Face. You need his face. So his face goes kind of like boom, 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 boom. So this is gonna be tricky. So we're gonna do step by step, alright? We're gonna draw a little line. More like, okay, you gotta watch first. Just a straight line, like a little bit curvy line. Yep. Just curvy, a little bit curvy. Okay, and then we're gonna do another one. So it has to be symmetrical. So you have to do it the same way as what you've just done, alright? Okay.
The same way.
Alright. No, you watch. Just be careful, right? Okay. Next, we're gonna draw his cheek.
Like cheeky.
Yes. Like
Should
cheeky
we
cheek.
do the ear first?
Not yet. Don't rush. Don't
Okay,
rush.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
That's the first thing you do not do. Do not rush. No, do not rush.
Okay, we're done. Let's start it.
Keep your cool, alright? Okay. Next, we're gonna be cheek. So it's gonna be a little bit more curvy, but we're gonna do with 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's gonna make
Okay.
it a really nice sort of cheek in his mouth. Connect it. Alright. You gotta watch first.
Okay, how much big is it?
Okay. Like this. Alright. Watch. Ooh. It gets a little bit chubby, but that's okay. It's okay. And another one.
That looks so chubby.
So is mine. That's okay. That's part of Mario. That's part of your part of the character, right? And then obviously he's got a bit of a chin happening. So you're gonna have to draw another circle, another curve. Sorry. Connects those 2 lines that we just drew. Oh, there you go. He's not that chubby. Oh, man, yours is chubby. Yours is chubby. Mine's not that chubby, right? Okay.
Mine's so chubby.
Okay, next we're gonna have to draw a little bit of hair, which is pretty simple. Just another line, and then just like that.
Oh, cool. Is that it?
That's it. We just need a little bump. Whee! Okay.
Woo-wee.
Mario. Okay.
Mario.
Okay, what do we need?
His hat?
No, his ear.
Oh, yeah.
We just need his ear, which is again another like that.
Circle?
Another, half circle, let's say. Half circle, like here to here, like that. Yes. Okay, another one here. Half circle. Whee! This is my ear. Okay. Inside of his ear, we just need 2 little arch again. This is another trick. 1, 2. Very simple. It makes it look very much like ear. Okay?
What?
Yes.
That's really good.
It's 1, 2. Yes, Mario! Okay, another one.
Just like the
1.
same.
You have to watch first.
2.
2. That's
It's
it.
a
Alright.
little bit weird.
Very 3D-ish. You know? Okay.
Yeah. Let's see his
What do we
hat.
need? Yes!
Okay.
Exactly. This is gonna be a little bit tricky because he's facing straight. So how does the hat look like when you're facing straight? This is what it looks like. Okay, again, this is another simple technique. It's very much just another arch.
Okay, let's go. Just do
You
it.
have to watch first, alright? Basically, what you have to do is connect here to here with arch. It goes like this. You can kind of touch the top end of the eyebrows.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Mine's so
Okay.
bad.
Another one, which connects what you just drew, but a little bit bigger, like that.
Oh, that's his hat.
Yes. It's part of his hat. What do we call this hat? Cappy or something? Wasn't
Yeah.
it? Cappy.
He should have eyes, really.
Okay, you can close this one. So it looks like he's wearing it. Okay. Okay, this is a big one. This is, which is basically the hat, the top of the hat.
Oh, yeah.
Which kind of look like a little bit like a mushroom, right? like this. Alright? So you have to kind of imagine. How does that?
It's like
so it can't be like this, right? So it has to be more like whoop.
Up to about.
So
half
somewhere
of the
around
page.
on the top of his ear, just do a bit of mark to here, like that. So you can kind of have to imagine like, whee, like that. It's
Like a
kind of
rainbow?
circle, but it's almost like a triangle circle, if you know what I mean. Like that.
Yeah,
You know
let's
what I
go. Okay.
Wait. You have to watch first, like this. Okay, this is
Oh, no,
okay.
wait.
Make or break. Let's do it.
Let's see.
Circle, and then you hit the head, hit the top, and then you kind of go back, and then you go back to the line. Yeah! Did you do it? Oh, you got it right. High five. Okay. What do we need here? There's something
his
missing.
Sign.
What does it say?
Like M
I think
for
there's a
Mario.
little letter.
It's M.
M for?
Mario
Yeah.
Odyssey.
No. M for Mario. Okay.
Yeah.
I think Luigi's got L, so he's got M. Yeah? So it's pretty simple. Again, another your favorite circle, alright? Okay, so just draw a big circle
I
again.
think Mario loves circles. That's why
I know.
he's circle.
I know, tell me about it, right? So many circles. You guessed it right. There's another circle. Yeah. Alright, okay. Now it's ready to have his big M. You know what M looks like? Okay, you
Okay.
first.
Yeah. Okay.
What does it look like?
Looks like that.
No, you draw. You show me.
Okay. It's a little bit like.
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. That's exactly what he has. It's a big M. Like
Isn't it?
this. Yes. Just a big, very big M.
Yep. He's like so
Whoa,
big,
whoa,
and he's
so-
also like a little
Yes.
bit twisty.
There you go. Look at that. That's a Mario. Mario. Okay. So we're pretty much done the the black and white version. So we got the line work done. So what do we do? We're gonna color it now, and obviously we're gonna fast forward it, right? So you guys don't have to watch the whole process. Yeah?
Yeah.
Are we gonna color it? So
Yeah.
his cap. Alright, we're done coloring. That's pretty cool. We got some shade happening.
Yeah, and you
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. So that's Mario. That's Mario. Just slightly chubby Mario. Alright, what do you think?
Cool.
You've done alright, hey?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Of course.
Alright, give me 5. Alright, thanks for watching.
Yeah.
We're gonna be drawing a lot more cool stuff.
But we might not.
Well, we might. Well, we will. Maybe some girly stuff with your sister as well, yeah?
Yeah. Should I?
Okay, so make sure you're gonna subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching today, and see you next time. Bye bye, Mario, Luigi, Mario.